creepypastas, and today I will be with my friend Knight. Now, the last video I made I didn't get to upload, which was sad, and I'm here with my stepsister.
Hello, I am the... Here, hold on. Oh, shoot.
And I sound like a 5-year-old, by the way, and so does she, so, you know.
Oh. Hold up. Okay, there we go. I'm the one jumping. I'm the one jumping.
Bruh, shush. And if Knight is watching this, you're recording. Okay. Hold up. I gotta call this girl out. Copycat. Heck. Oh my gosh, I'm a
boy, I am disgusted. Ow, what's the... My toe got stubbed again.
I was reading a story to class. I hate when I do that. Because I used to stutter, like, really bad. And I don't do it as much anymore. And there was a word. And I said fish. Okay. And, but when I go up there, I stutter so bad. Like, you have no idea. It's really bad. I would be like, zebra or something like that. Like, I would start like so bad. Billy.
When I first met my sister, she stuttered
I'm
bad.
trying to speak deeper so I don't sound like a child. I sound like a freaking dude.
Oh, really?
But I sound like a child at the same time.
Y'all probably can't hear me.
Shut up! Oh my gosh.
Look at the bunny ears. Oh my god.
You look so cute. Fishies.
Put my ears in the back.
Okay. Hey, where you go? Okay.
Alright, too many people. I'm leaving. Goodbye.
There's so much people. I want her flower crown. I wasn't here to get her flower crown. Or the flower crown. Yeah. I don't know what's going on here. Is it on trade? Can I offer? It's not on trade. I can't
want
offer.
a flower crown so bad. How can you get a flower crown?
It's beta. You have to trade it. Trade for it.
How many flower crowns can you get from a tail?
What tail are you talking about?
I'm talking about a tail.
What tail? Because I don't think they're going to trade for a tail.
That tail.
The raccoon tail?
Yeah.
Well...
Do I deserve, like, what, 5 flower crowns or something?
No. Because that kind of raccoon tail isn't really... people don't really like that raccoon tail because they know it used to be in stores, and I guess some people don't like stuff that were in stores. What am I saying? Hold up. Hold on, let me think about what I'm saying. Okay. I'm speaking gibberish right now. Okay. Let's see. I want her wings. See, I'm so random. I love her spider too. It's adorable. It looks kind of like mine. Speaking of, I need to change my pet. Sorry. See, I want her wings so bad. And she's also very pretty too. You're very pretty. No, I don't want to freaking blog her or report her. She didn't do anything to me. Turn.
A feathered amulet.
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 I know what you're trying to say. No. I'm sorry. I'm not giving up my flower crown. Oh,
that was awesome.
That was over. And I didn't give it up. Oh my gosh. I should have, though. I should have. Oh my gosh, I should have. Dang it, I hate it. Oh well. I'll get it next Halloween.
Are the Nutcracker boots beta?
Yeah, but they come back on Christmas. Where's Night? Oh my gosh. I'm kind of hungry, aren't you? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
She's choking me.
Bro, shut up. Are you good, bro?
Hold on, where are you? Did everyone leave me? No.
Meh.
Oh, Mel, I'm coming.
You.
I found my way.
At this, like, I sound like a boy, but then at the same time, I sound like a child. Like, it's really bad. And I hate that. My list for flower crown I can add. But I want a different color. I want either red or green. I would like her other flower crown. See, I want her flower crown. Ooh. Oh, no.
Turkey fan.
It's not that much. Hold on. I'll do it later. Alright, we don't even know what we're doing right now. We're walking around and following Night everywhere. Because I'm bored.
What about a barrel?
I think you get those from the raccoon treasure hunts. Yeah, you do.
I don't have any raccoon.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm bored.
Stonewall portal.
Bruh.
Awesome.
Stonewall portals are in the Sapphire shop. Ooh, I want to give him a gift. Like never mind. I want to give him a gift. Ooh, I want his turkey feathers. No, I want spiked color. I'm gonna give him a chocolate couch because I can.
Okay.
Because he's a nice friend. Please read what I sent.
I'm never giving him mine though, because I took so long for that.
I actually did it for her. Because she doesn't know how to play Light in the Dark, obviously. I'm gonna give him a gift.
On the first one, I laughed so hard she kicked me
No!
out of her room.
No. In fact, I'm gonna ask him what for your scary horns, because I really want the scary horns. What for your horns?
That looks awesome.
Bruh.
Should I do that?
Yeah, do that. I'm a dude. Bit crazy. What is he gonna say? Maybe I can offer. We're just waiting here because he's writing something. Oh my gosh, I sound like a freaking child.
Me?
Dude. No, me!
Look at the Medusa mask.
Me!
Look at the Medusa mask.
I know, do you want that?
Yes.
We'll ask him if you can offer. It's free! Oh my gosh, it's free! Oh my
What are free?
Oh my god!
What's free?
Oh my god. I'm so excited. Thank you!
I want to offer something tonight.
I will follow you. Just to ask you a question. Oh, he said something else. Maybe I can give him a chocolate couch, you know, just to be like a little fair. Okay, let's go to my den items, because, you know, I don't see chocolate couches anywhere.
He just said the Medusa mask is free. Boy! What do I offer him, though?
Alright, let me search up my chocolate couches.
Hold on. What do I do?
Chocolate.
Okay, he said the Medusa mask is actually free. He doesn't want it.
Did I spell it right? Oh my gosh.
What do I give him?
My thing is so laggy.
Crap. What is he like? Do I have to give him a beta? I can give him the spooky top hat or something.
He said it was free. Oh my gosh, can't. Oh, it's gonna take forever. They're candy couches.
I know, but I want to give him something.
Okay, candy bar couch.
Because I don't want.
I'm gonna.
I guess the rare old hood.
I'm gonna get.
No, I'm giving him something special. I'm not gonna, you know. Is that beta though?
What's beta?
The Medusa mask.
Yes.
OMG.
Oh my gosh, she's so sweet.
Knight's awesome.
He's the best friend.
But the thing is,
Thanks.
I'm giving him my royal tail armor. That's like so awesome of Knight.
Now we're even.
And give him one more thing. What else should I give him?
That's good, Caitlin.
Oh my gosh. He's probably gonna hate it.
No, you still gave me one more. No. That was all you had to give me.
He declined it. Are you serious?
Oh, don't get mad at him. Come on.
No free potato. I'm sad now. I'm gonna go over here and cry.
Oh, look, he's gonna trade you something. Oh, never mind.
That's funny.
Oh my gosh. The flower crown. I'm gonna try it and I'll
I don't want to look at it.
just do it. Come on. Oh, that's fair. Do it. Oh my gosh. Sing. Oh, I get a feeling. I got a feeling. I got a feeling. Ooh. I'm such a great singer. Yeah, did you guys hear my singing? It was so awesome. It won't let me type on my keyboard, so I'm just gonna do that.
I'm so happy right now.
I didn't want to. Wait. What did he say? I didn't want to accept all that because, wait, I didn't see it. Because I wanted you for, oh, you wanted, that's my girl. Oh, Punny, you're right here. See, that's my girl.
I'm so happy right now.
That's my girl. That's my girl.
Play the innocent, guys. I'm just kidding.
Hold up.
Wiggle, wiggle.
I'm gonna put some music on. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I gotta check how long the time is. 14! Okay, we gotta stop the video here because it's been 14 minutes and I can't go past 15, okay?
Bye, guys.
So, bye, guys.
Woo!
Comment your name down below for the giveaway. I will pick a random person, anyone, okay? I gotta make this quick. Go Buddy Knight. He is the best. Like, he is awesome, okay?
He gave me a freaking beta for free.
He gave me a beta for free, too.
OMG.
So,
Right.
go buddy him. He's the best. Okay. I gotta go. Bye, guys.
Woo!